Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1669 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. To the left, as you enter the room, we have the climate control panel, the various light switches for the room. These two are actually the do not disturb and makeup room switches. Here we have the entrance to the bathroom, with the sink to the right, together with all your bathroom amenities and towels. More towels below. On the left, we have the extra toilet roll with, I think that's the hair dryer, another toilet roll, the bin, couple of glasses, box of tissues. Here we have hand wash and body lotion with power outlets and USB-A ports, mirrors right there, and right there. And here we actually have a sort of like a window into the bedroom. Hello. Here's the toilet with the handheld bidet, towels right above. Here we have the shower area with the rain shower right above and a handheld shower right there. And there we have bath gel, conditioner and shampoo. There are hooks on the back of the door. And right opposite the bathroom, we have the wardrobe area. With drawers, the in-room safe, storage, on this side we have hangers, the laundry stuff, bathrobes, iron is below, together with the in-room slippers and the ironing board, and there's a bit of storage right above. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the pantry area with a couple of bottles of water, with a light switch behind and a power outlet. Here we have the kettle, a couple of mugs, a couple of glasses, all the tea and coffee making stuff. With a drawer for storage. And the fridge is down below. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. Here we have a place to put luggage. Here we have the bed. It is a very comfortable bed. On the left bedside table, we have storage, a drawer, more storage above. All the light switches, power outlets and USB-A ports. With a light right above. Power outlet down there. And here we have a flat screen Samsung TV. Down there, bin. It is a dual bin setup, so we have the regular waste to the left and the recyclable items to the right. Desk with a drawer right here. We have power outlets and USB-A ports right there. In-room telephone, the in-room breakfast menu, messages from the hotel, and we can scan there for, say, the guest services directory and the in-room dining menu. There's a mirror above the desk with a light right there, table, an armchair, and on the right bedside table we have storage, a drawer, writing materials, the TV remote, and more power outlets, USB-A ports and light switches behind. Right above is a light. As for the view out, we can see the road in front of the hotel, the buildings in the distance, the west wing of the hotel. I believe that's Hilton Petaling Jaya right there. Not a bad view. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1669 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. Thanks for watching and goodbye.